In the tranquil heart of the village, Amina's laughter brightens the morning as she plays joyfully beneath the protective shade of a sprawling mango tree. The stillness of her play is broken by a faint, intriguing chirping that stirs her curiosity. Drawn by the mysterious sound, Amina moves cautiously toward the nearby bushes, her youthful curiosity leading the way. Amina gently cradles the injured sparrow, her touch filled with compassion. With delicate care, Amina prepares a cozy nest, lining a small box with soft cotton. Her mother's voice fills the room with wisdom. Amina, helping those in need is a beautiful thing. Allah loves those who show kindness. In the tranquil morning light, Amina stands beneath a mango tree, its leaves painting the courtyard in shifting patterns of light and shadow. Amina extends her hand, offering freedom to a tiny sparrow perched upon her finger. With a final glance of gratitude, the sparrow bursts into flight, its joyful song echoing through the courtyard as it ascends.